Car's right behind you. The F-16 Viper demo team. As soon as we get the heavies launched, they're going to go ripping up the skies of Travis Air Force Base in just a few moments.
I'm always ready for more. On that road, it's all the same. I'm always ready to get alive. You know I ride it. It's all the same. Tell me who's gonna save me from myself. And this life is all I know. Tell me who's gonna save me from myself.
Watch now as Captain Wheeler repositions her aircraft and demonstrates the low altitude, high-speed capability of the F-16. As she passes Share Center, she'll be traveling just under the speed of sound at 700 miles per hour. That's less than half the Viper's top speed of Mach 2. And now, one more time from your right. Viper
like I talk it, walk it like I talk it. Take my shoes and walk a mile, something that you can't do. Big talks of the town, big boy gang moves, gang moves. I like to walk around with my chain loose.